Welcome to today's class on analytic geometry. Today we discuss equation of normals to Cartesian curves. We have equation of tangent at xy to the curve y is equal to f of x is y minus little y equal to dy by dx into x minus little x. Therefore, equation of the normal at xy to the curve y equal to f of x is y minus little y equal to some m into x minus little x, where m into slope of the tangent at xy, so that is m into dy by dx equal to minus 1. The product of the slopes is minus 1 for perpendicular lines. So this implies m equal to minus 1 by dy by dx, or this is equal to minus dx by dy. Therefore, equation of the normal at xy to the curve y equal to f of x is y minus little y equal to minus dx by dy into x minus little x, where capital X capital Y is a point on the normal. Now we do a problem. So we do this problem. Find the equation of the normal at any point theta to the curve x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta, y is equal to a into theta minus theta cos theta, and verify that these normals touch the circle with its center at origin and whose radius is constant. So we'll solve this. Solution: given that x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta and y equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. We have equation of the normal is y minus little y equal to minus dx by dy into x minus little x. So we have to find minus dx by dy. So we have dx by d theta is a into minus sine theta plus theta cos theta plus sine theta. So this is a into theta cos theta. And dy by d theta is a into cos theta minus theta sin theta. So it is plus theta sin theta minus cos theta. So this is a theta sin theta. Therefore, dx by dy is equal to dx by d theta by dy by d theta. So this is equal to a into theta cos theta divided by a into theta sin theta. So this is cos theta by sin theta. Therefore, equation of the normal is y minus little y equal to minus dx by dy. So that is cos theta divided by sin theta into x minus little x. So this implies y minus y into sin theta equal to minus cos theta into x minus x. We have a point on the curve is x equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta and y equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Therefore, if you take this as equation 1, so from 1, equation of the normal is y into y minus little y is a into sin theta minus theta cos theta into sin theta equal to minus cos theta into x minus little x is a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. On expanding, we will get y sin theta minus a sin square theta plus a theta into sin theta cos theta equal to minus x cos theta plus a cos square theta plus a theta cos theta sin theta. So you can cancel a theta cos theta sin theta. Then on rearranging this, you will get x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a into cos square theta plus sin square theta. This implies x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a. So this is the equation of the normal at the point xy. Therefore, equation of the normal at xy is x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a. Now we have to show that the normals x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a touches the circle with the center origin and radius constant. And this constant will be a here. So it is enough to show that the perpendicular distance of the line x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a from origin is a, or is a constant. We have a distance of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 from the point x dash y dash is modulus of ax dash plus by dash plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Here, therefore, the distance of x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a from origin 0 0 is modulus of cos theta into 0 plus sin theta into 0 plus minus a divided by square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Since a equal to cos theta, b equal to sin theta and c equal to minus a. So this is equal to modulus of minus a divided by square root of 1. So this is modulus of minus a by 1. So that is a. Therefore, the distance of the normal x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a from origin 0 0 is the constant a. That is, the normal touches the circle of radius a with the center origin. This solves the problem. So that's all for the day.